Today I have a pretty cool project. I'm gonna be making a fishing pond. Look how kink this thing is. It's so messed up. It's like, you line the inside of the container with black material, make it look more like a pond. Now we gotta set out the grass. The water feature is complete without foliage, so we're gonna go get some water foliage. So that's basically it. A few more finishing touches and then some B-roll, and I want to talk to you about this fishing hole a little bit. This whole fishing hole project has got me thinking about the idea of fishing. And in order to fish well, you have to know what you're looking for. You have to have the right bait chosen, use the right pole, find the right spot. One thing I'm learning about this channel is the type of people that I want to meet are people who want to create things themselves, who want to do things, who are looking for a little motivation, maybe a little push, people who are looking to grow in their faith and in their future, people who are looking to have a better life than they had yesterday, people who don't want to stay the same. So I want to encourage you today, think of one thing that you need to change to be better off tomorrow than you were today. Those are the type of people that I want watching these videos. People who want to improve, people who want to go. If you're one of those people, consider subscribing, like the video to let me know you're one of the people who's looking to be better tomorrow than you were yesterday. Thanks so much for checking out this channel. Share it with others. We had a lot of fun making this project, and this weekend, kids are gonna be using this fishing hole, having fun at church. I love that. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thursday means home groups, and we have people over our house. But everybody showed up, and we all decided we wanted pizza. Let's get some pizza. And pizza, and we bumped into the Stoltzfuses! The best possible topping combination, bacon, pineapple.
Okay, never mind.
I